So hello guys, welcome to back to my channel Tech, and today we are going to learn how to use syntax about select case statement. So here we go. Let's first open the workspace, and now here at first you already know that we need to use CLS so as to clear the screen, that whether all the tasks we had done is cleared from the disk. Okay, so for the next we are going to use select case statement. So for that we need to input expression, right? And to define that expression we need input from the user or nothing else. Like let me use for next loop. I will teach you in the next video about this, but for now I'm just saying it. I is equal to 1 to 10. Okay, so it's saying for without next. Okay, so the next I, it says that the value of I would range from 1 to 10, right? So within which at first it would be 1, initialization will be 1, and after that it would increase 1 by 1. Next I means I will be equal to 2, and again next I it will be equal to 3. Here you can include the step also, like step 1. If you're at step 2, then if it is 1, then in the next step it would be 3, 1 plus 2. Instead of that you can use the minus also, it doesn't matter, but I am going stepwise here, so let's just add this much only. Now select case. So select case, and here we need to add the expression, like here you can see I mod 2. Okay, so this one says whether I mod 2. Yeah, added an expression which is define I mod 2, which is mostly sure you know well, odd or even, right? So here we go, we have the case equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, if it is equal to 0, this expression is equal to 0, then print is a tech, right? So before this let me just add one thing more here. This would define whether the given condition, not condition but the input that we are getting from here, that is this one I, what is that I, 1, 2 or any other number. You will just see when I just show you in the practical wise. So and if the case, or you don't write that is, just write equals 1, then print I, next is he's at gaming. Okay, now we have to end this one, so end select. Okay, now you're seeing it is saying okay, before it was showing error. Now just run it. So you can see here what I had written, case is equal to 0. At first at the beginning it was 1, right? So 1 mod 2 is equal to 1. So by leaving the first case it would go to the second one. Is it equal to 1? Yes. Then it would display the same I. Which I was it? What was the value at that time, at that condition? It was 1, so it displayed 1. Now the case is ended here, the select case is ended here. Now next loop, within that let's see I would be equal to 2. So is I mod 2 equals 0? Here it is just using the statement so as to see the available condition, the provided condition is correct or not. Yes, it is correct, so it displayed his art tab. Likewise it went up to 10. Okay, so you saw how it works, and now let's again get some more intro to it. so CLS, and now input what your name. Okay, so your name as name dollar. Again, input number of times you want, or simply let's make a program so as to check whether the condition is for whether the student has passed or not. Okay, so let's just add one more here. RAM check whether the student is passed or failed. Okay, so input what to input, then let's just define here enter marks of given subjects. Okay, and now input, let's add science first. Okay, so science as SC. Again input, next one would be, let's write maths 1. Okay, so this would be M1. Next is input maths 2. Okay, so this would be M2. Again input, next let's add English, and this would be ENG. Okay, now input this became source, just try next one Nepali. Okay, let's make it Nep. Okay, so we have just inserted all the datas, right? So now what we are going to do is, either you can write here also percentage equals. Okay, so let's now add the expression here. So we are going to add all the marks, so science plus maths 1 plus maths 2 plus English plus Nepali. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 subjects, so let's just divide it by 5. Now select case is percentage. Okay, case is percentage. Let's just and select, although it always shows the error. You can write this condition, this expression here also, but it doesn't matter, but the thing is you need to add one more bracket. Okay, so let's just begin here. Case equals or less than, either it is equal to or less than 39.99. Then print failed. Now case equal to or more than 40, then print passed. Okay, so you can see, so we'll just run this. What's your name? Is that okay? So in the marks of the given subject, science, we'll just 98, maths 0, student 2, doesn't matter, 45, Nepali 5. Okay, so it says failed, it did not display the percentage you got, right? So I'll just add here one more percentage. Okay, now here also percentage. So again run this. Name, marks looking at 0 0 0 0 0. Now it said failed, I got 0%. Okay, now let me again run this, and now again result, and now max input 95, 65, 59, 89, 96, and let's say it's passed with 81.4%. This is how you saw, right? If you have any kind of problem, you can comment below, right? And you can get the description all about some syntax within it only. And for moreover, you can just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and like this video if you feel it crazy and a bit good about me. Thanks for watching.